Trump World Tower is a 72-story premium residential skyscraper, but due to structural features, the highest floors are marked up to 90, with a height of 257 meters or 843 feet, located at 845 United Nations Plaza on 1st Avenue between 47th and 48th Streets in Manhattan, New York City. Built in 1999 to 2001, the building is 262 meters tall and is known for its dark bronze glass facade. Architect Kostas Kondilis. According to the project, the tower has a rectangular plan, dimensions 23 by 44 meters or 77 by 144 feet, with an aspect ratio of 11:1. At the time of completion, it became one of the tallest residential buildings in the world, with increased wind resistance due to its concrete structure. The tower has 376 apartments with breathtaking panoramic views of the East River and Manhattan. The construction cost about $300 million. Fact 1. Expensive penthouse. The penthouse on the top 2 floors of the building, with a total area of 1,858 square meters or 20,000 square feet, cost $58 million. However, after many years of sales failures, it was divided into 4 separate units. Fact 2. How to sell a skyscraper floor. In 2001, immediately after completion of construction, Trump sold the entire 45th floor for $4.5 million to Saudi Arabia, which in 2008 included 5 luxury apartments in its mission to the United Nations. Why? Ideal logistics and control. The building is located directly across the street from the United Nations. Fact 3. The tower is too thin. The slenderness ratio here is an insane 11:1. With hurricane-force winds from the East River, the upper floors would inevitably sway, causing seasickness in the residents. To curb physics, engineers hid a massive inertial damper, tuned mass damper, on the roof. This was the first time in history that such a vibration damper was used in a residential building in New York. Fact 4. Bronze armor. The aesthetics of absolute minimalism. Architect Kostas Kondilis abandoned complex forms in favor of a pure, ruthless prism. The facade is covered in dark, bronze-tinted glass. This is not just stylistics, this is work with light at the level of photorealism. During the day, the building absorbs the sun's rays, turning into a dark obelisk, and at sunset, it flashes with copper-gold glare. There are no extra details, only a smooth curtain wall, hanging wall, hiding behind a gigantic concrete frame. Fact 5. Indiana Jones. In 2001-2002, Ford literally hunted for penthouses in Trump buildings, competing for the best views with Bruce Willis. As a result, he chose the World Tower precisely because of its cold and closed status. Harrison Ford could not resist the strict aesthetics of this monolith. The tower has become a place where Hollywood A-list intersects with technological giants and oil tycoons, creating the most closed and expensive community in New York. Would you like to own a penthouse and watch the mesmerizing panoramic views of the East River and Manhattan in the evenings? Be sure to write about it in the comments and like. See you soon.